Hey me, so it's Michael here, and today we're talking about Studio Renovations episode 4. Guys, we finally got here. This is a big deal. It's been a while, and I'm so excited to share with you what I've been doing in this space, which I continue to develop right here for you guys on this Studio Renovation series. I've definitely made a lot of small changes, like adding this hook, but I also had a lot of big changes, like this shelf. In fact, that shelf is something I want to talk about today, because it put me through a huge struggle that was so stupid, and I could have easily avoided. So let's imagine 14-year-old Jack, just kidding, I'm 13, has a big piece of wood and some angle brackets, which I got from Home Depot. I tried to drill into the wood directly, which did work, but not only did it split open the wood, because this is totally cheap plywood, not meant to be a shelf, but the screw was also way too long. Like, what was I thinking? So I took it out and I went upstairs and I literally rampaged for screws. And then finally, I found the screws I needed. I was so excited. And then after all of that, I realized that the angle brackets came with screws. But hey, the shelf looks pretty nice. You can see I can keep lenses and mini tripods and things that I would need at my disposal immediately if I'm just sitting right here trying to record a video. Then I can just grab at any notice. Plus, it's always awesome to have some extra shelf space. And I only paid about $10 for it. Definitely recommend it. This area is pretty much stayed the same. Although over here, I did make a few changes. For starters, I completely redid all of the cable management in this desk. And you might be wondering, why the heck would you ever do that? Well, it all comes down to this. I was using this crapola power strip, which you can see I was holding on with this duct tape. That was absolutely terrible, and I had two problems with it. For one, it only had 3 little prongs in it, or connectors, so I can only plug 3 things into it. And second, it was literally sparking up. Yeah, it was creating little explosions under my desk. So I decided it probably wasn't a good idea to be charging my devices on this cheap $4 IKEA power strip. So I put that away, and I'm keeping it for use with less powerful objects. But for charging my devices and powering my monitor, as well as all of the lights on this desk, I upgraded to one of those nice Home Depot ones that cost a little bit more, like $12, you know, a little more premium. And I hooked that guy up, which actually has 6 slots. And what's really nice about this one is that there's actually just a switch on it. So whenever I want, I can click that switch and turn everything off the desk and then turn it right back on whenever I want. So I'll do it right now. Are you ready? I don't know why this fascinates me. 3, 2, 1. Everything's off except for the monitor. I'm actually not powering the monitor through that power cable because even though it's a little bit more premium, I still didn't really want to risk it. But hey, using this power strip, I can stick my phone on this wireless charger and charge it up right there. I call that a success. And it's an especially great success when it only costs $12. That's not all that went into this episode's planning, because I actually redid the shelves again. I know I've already done this once in an episode, but I'm super peculiar about it. I kept this shelf the same, just switching up a couple of things since I did take off a lot of the objects to put on my new shelf I just hung up. But I did redo this shelf up here, and I think it looks a little bit better, and this is the stuff that I use less often, so I have to actually stand up and grab. Got the cool iPhone boxes, and I also thought it'd be cool to display both the original iPhone and the original Android phone in their full glory right here in the middle. And the reason for that is because, for one, they're pretty cool. But second, it like represents my YouTube channel. I make technology videos, so these two guys kind of started my life. I mean, honestly, look at this. Have you seen this? This was the first phone that ever ran Android. Look at that keyboard. I don't even think I was alive when this came out. I'm totally kidding. Look at this thing, it had a wheel. Anyways, I just thought that was a little cool addition. And that's practically it. You can see I did do a couple more minor adjustments. Like, I finally got a table for these monitors. Yes, I know I was using a chair for them, but I finally got this nice rolly table so that, say I'm shooting over here like I was in the start of the video, I can actually wheel the monitors over to wherever I am in the studio so I can see what I'm doing on them, even when I'm not like sitting in the normal space. So yeah, that might be one of my favorite additions to the new studio. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. I know this one was minor. I know this was more of an update episode, but I thought you guys would enjoy it. I thought you would like to see what I've been up to. And I know I'm sure there are things that you guys are looking at right now that I didn't even address in this episode. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. Also comment down below what you did think, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I'm Jack. Peace out.